Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned beans taste better. First, always rinse your beans thoroughly under cold water for about 30 seconds. This removes excess sodium and improves their texture. Next, ensure you drain all the canning liquid. Then, start by sautéing aromatics like 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/2 cup of chopped onion in a tablespoon of olive oil or butter. This simple step builds a foundational flavor. To build even more flavor, consider adding diced celery and carrots to your sautéed onions and garlic. Cook these until softened, about 5 minutes. Then, deglaze your pan with about 1/2 cup of vegetable or chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits. Add your rinsed beans to this aromatic mixture and let them simmer for at least 10 minutes. This allows the beans to truly absorb all those wonderful flavors. Spices and herbs are your best friends for transforming canned beans. Don't be shy with dried spices like cumin, chili powder, or smoked paprika. They add incredible warmth. For brightness, stir in fresh herbs such as cilantro, parsley, or thyme during the last few minutes of cooking. A small pinch of red pepper flakes can also introduce a lovely, subtle heat. Remember to season with salt and freshly ground black pepper as you go. Finally, don't forget the finishing touches that elevate your beans. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice, or even a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, can brighten the entire dish with a tangy lift. For added richness and a beautiful sheen, drizzle in a bit of high-quality olive oil just before serving. Garnish with more fresh herbs or a dollop of plain yogurt for an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.